and I removed the emergency brake cables. Also, I got one exhaust hanger here. I think I'm gonna remove that. Just some of the little knick-knack stuff that's on it that needs to be removed. So I'm gonna remove that stuff, and then that'll be about it, and go back in on it. So we'll see how it goes. All right, I'm in the process of removing the control arms in the back. Got those 2 bolts. I got the shock off. I got both fuel lines off. So that fuel line. I wasn't gonna remove the brake line, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. Seemed like the easiest way, just because I'm gonna be welding in that area, and just the less obstacles and the less around, the safer. So I'm gonna remove those last 2 control arms, lower control arms, and then go from there. This is my end result. I'm stripping everything down off the frame. See, I took the bump stop off the back side. Took the old fuel lines off. So all I have to do now is clean everything up, and then I'm gonna try to box it in. So boxing, and I already have a transmission brace, so I'm gonna try to box it in, and then see how it goes from there. Till next time. Right now my transmission is leaking from the clutch. The tube is leaking up under there. I can't fit my hand in there. My hand is too big to go in that hole. It's a very small hole to bleed it. So what I'm gonna do is, just to make sure that tube is all the way cranked down, I'm gonna remove the transmission and retighten it down, and then I'm gonna try to order a remote clutch tube, so I can remote bleeder. So I'm gonna try to order a remote bleeder and then go from there. So I'm gonna get the transmission out of here, take it apart, and then go from there. I got the transmission off. As you can see, pull the cross member out. I also tightened down my motor mount bolts, so the motor is secure now. Got my transmission over here. So this is the TKO 600. This is where it's leaking at. So it's leaking from, I just got to tighten down that a little bit. But I'm gonna get a remote bleeding screw for this, so I don't have to, I can't fit my hand through that port. So I'm gonna put a remote bleeding screw right there, and then I can bleed it as much as I need to, and it'll be a lot easier. So on to the next step.